Hey everybody, Matt's from Haven Homestead. Got some old computer program DVDs, CDs, whatever the heck you want to call them, the floppy disks. Putting them in here as like a deer type scarer. Got 4 on one, 3 on the other. Just have little pieces of twig with a clove hitch put on it. Put through the hole and then hanging. Breeze will come through, spin them some, hopefully scare off some of the birds and the deer. I'm gonna get some more, put at least 1 or 2 more down through there. It works to an extent. But that's a little project we got done today on the homestead.